Hello and welcome to Stitch and Pattern Tuesday. Today is April 27 and this is Clasi Handmade. So today I will be showing you how to make this textured washcloth. And this texture is made by using single crochet, double crochet and a chain stitch. So if you want to make a washcloth, you can get some cotton yarn, and I use some scrap cotton yarn that I have. This is some cotton yarn, some sugar and cream, and Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton scrap yarn. So if you want to make a washcloth, you get some cotton yarn. If you don't want to make the washcloth, you just want to learn the stitches, you can just get your favorite hook and your yarn that you would want to use. So today, for this demonstration purposes, I'll be showing you how to do the stitches. And I'm using Rainbow Cotton by Hobby. And it's 100% cotton. And it's a number 3 cotton. And it's called for a number 4 hook or a 3.5 hook. So I'll be using this cotton. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I chain 20. In the second chain from hook, I'll put 1 single crochet. One single crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into that same stitch. So you're doing all that in one stitch. You skip 1 chain and you single crochet into the next chain, chain 1, double crochet into that same stitch, skip 1 chain, single crochet into the next, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch. So basically what you're doing, you're single crocheting into the next chain, and into that same chain you're going to put 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. Skip 1 chain, single crochet into the next, chain 1, double crochet into that same stitch. And you do that all the way across, and I'll meet you back at your last stitch. So I'm at my last stitch. I'm just going to single crochet into that last stitch, turn, chain 2, 1, 2. So into the, when you chain 2, you're going to go into the chain 1 space. So right here you're going to put a single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into that space. You're going to skip this single crochet and single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet. Skip the single crochet right here. Okay. Skip the single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into that same space. Okay, let's do that again. Skip the single crochet into chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into that space. Skip the single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into that same space, and you repeat that all the way to the end. When you get to the end, you single crochet into the last stitch. So you have a piece that look like that. It would look like if it's curving, but eventually it would straighten out itself. Okay, so you turn, chain 2, find that chain 1 space, and you single crochet into that chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet, and you repeat this pattern until you get your desired length for your washcloth. So this is my washcloth that I did. And as you can see, the texture of it, my washcloth is about 8.5 inches in width, and the length is 9 inches. So I did 28 stitches for my washcloth. You can do as much stitches as you want. So you continue. Let me show you another. Finish this row, the third row. You skip the single crochet. Okay, you skip the single crochet right here and single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into the same space, and you repeat that until you get your desired length of your washcloth. You can use this pattern in a hat, anything that a blanket. So just follow the pattern and create something that you would like with this texture. Oh boy. So you see the texture here. This texture to me is great for blanket or washcloth. If you want to make a very dense blanket, you can use this stitch. So thank you for joining me today on Stitch and Pattern Tuesday, and I hope you like, share, subscribe, and use this pattern to make something for yourself. Thank you.